you feel its pain?
Oil. The leveler. Oh no.
Run, little ones. We'll catch up to you in the Ferngully soon enough.
Maggie? Oh, Maggie, I've got so much to tell you. I went to Mount Warning and I found a human. Well, come on, I want you to meet him. Maggie, what's wrong? Maggie, can you heal it?
A force outside of nature did this. I can't heal it. And I can't stop it.
Zack can. I know what did this, Maggie. A monster the humans fight. Humans can stop it. They have these magic red marks that... But Zack said... Humans did it all.
Krista! Hey, what's going on, Zack?
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. The forest. You know what's happening, don't you?
What?
Good idea. Ask the human. He may know.
Krista.
You lied to me.
No. Krista. I wish the human tales were true. They're not here to protect the forest. They're cutting down trees. They're destroying the forest. And I was helping them do it. Daddy was right.
I was?
They're coming this way. You can't stop them. You'll have to leave.
The humans have released Hexus. Gather everyone in the circle.
You know, Zack, truth doesn't always win friends, but it certainly influences people. You're not half bad for a hominid.
Since the beginning of time,
Father,
we have been the guardians and the healers of the forest. We have too long forgotten the magic powers of nature. The time has come to call on them again. Remember, all the magic of creation exists within a single tiny seed.